Hi folks, I'm Jeff the ESL coach, and today's reading topic is geography. Follow along as I read the article, Interesting Geography Facts. Did you know? Alaska. More than half of the coastline of the entire United States is in Alaska. Amazon. The Amazon rainforest produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen supply. The Amazon River pushes so much water into the Atlantic Ocean that more than 100 miles at sea off the mouth of the river, one can dip fresh water out of the ocean. The volume of water in the Amazon River is greater than the next 8 largest rivers in the world combined, and 3 times the flow of all the rivers in the United States. Antarctica. Antarctica is the only land on our planet that is not owned by any country. 90% of the world's ice covers Antarctica. This ice also represents 70% of all the fresh water in the world. As strange as it sounds, however, Antarctica is essentially a desert. The average yearly total precipitation is about 2 inches. Although covered with ice, all but 0.4% of it that is, Antarctica is the driest place on the planet, with an absolute humidity lower than the Gobi Desert. Brazil. Brazil got its name from the nut, not the other way around. Canada. Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world combined. Canada is an Indian word meaning big village. Chicago. Next to Warsaw, Chicago has the largest Polish population in the world. Detroit. Woodward Avenue in Detroit, Michigan carries the designation M1, so named because it was the first paved road anywhere. Damascus, Syria. Damascus, Syria was flourishing a couple of thousand years before Rome was founded in 753 BC, making it the oldest continuously inhabited city in existence. Istanbul, Turkey. Istanbul, Turkey is the only city in the world located on 2 continents. Los Angeles. Los Angeles' full name is El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de Los Ángeles de Porciúncula, and can be abbreviated to 3.63% of its size, LA. New York City. The term the Big Apple was coined by touring jazz musicians of the 1930s who used the slang expression apple for any town or city. Therefore, to play New York City is to play the big time, the Big Apple. Pitcairn Island. The smallest island with country status is Pitcairn in Polynesia, at just 1.75 square miles, or 4.53 square kilometers. Rome. The first city to reach a population of 1 million people was Rome, Italy in 133 BC. There is a city called Rome on every continent. Siberia. Siberia contains more than 25% of the world's forests. SMOM. The actual smallest sovereign entity in the world is the Sovereign Military Order of Malta. It is located in the city of Rome, Italy, has an area of 2 tennis courts, and as of 2001 has a population of 80. 20 fewer people than the Vatican. It is a sovereign entity under international law, just as the Vatican is. Sahara Desert. In the Sahara Desert, there's a town named Tidikelt, which did not receive a drop of rain for 10 years. Technically, though, the driest place on Earth is in the valleys of the Antarctic near Ross Island. There has been no rainfall there for 2 million years. Spain. Spain literally means the land of rabbits. St. Paul, Minnesota. St. Paul, Minnesota was originally called Pig's Eye after a man named Pierre Pig's Eye Parent who set up the first business there. Roads. Chances that a road is unpaved in the USA 1%. In Canada, 75%. Texas. The deepest hole ever made in the world is in Texas. It is as deep as 20 Empire State Buildings, but only 3 inches wide. United States. The Eisenhower Interstate System requires that 1 mile in every 5 must be straight. These straight sections are usable as airstrips in times of war and other emergencies. Waterfalls. The water of Angel Falls, the world's highest, in Venezuela drops 3,212 feet, or 979 meters. They are 15 times higher than Niagara Falls. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.